Greetings of the day. Myself Saurabh Rakheja, Faculty Food Production, Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Hotel Management, Chandigarh. As we all know that we are celebrating Bharat Parv. In Bharat Parv, IHM Chandigarh is representing Punjabi cuisine. In Punjabi cuisine, we have taken two exotic dishes. One is fish amritsari, which is deep fried spicy fish, and second one is sarson ka saag, which is made of 5 different leaves. Let us move to our kitchen for the demonstration. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers, and sarson da saag is one of the important dishes of Punjab. In sarson da saag, we take mustard leaves, that is sarson leaves. We take palak, that is spinach leaves. We take methi leaves, that is called fenugreek also in English. We take bathu leaves, we call it as chenopodium leaves, and while boiling it, we add ginger, garlic, green chili along with some salt. The ratio of the leaves what we have taken is that mustard leaves should be more, while the palak, methi and the chenopodium or bathu leaves has to remain half of the mustard leaves. We have boiled all the leaves in water with some ginger, garlic and green chili whole. This will give flavor to it, and we can add salt for flavoring. We have grinded the boiled leaves, as we can see, into a very coarse texture. For tempering of saag, we have taken mustard oil, which blends very well with saag. We have taken whole red chilies, we have taken hing, jeera, mustard seeds, onion, chopped onion, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, salt and turmeric. We start by taking a kadhai and add little mustard oil to it. We take 2-3 red whole chilies and heat till they are slightly black in color. We heat till the whole red chilies swell up and change their color to black. We add little hing, jeera, mustard seeds, coriander seeds, chopped onions, cook the onions till they are slightly brown in color. When the onions are being cooked, add ginger garlic paste. green chilies, salt, turmeric, while the onions are being cooked, add tomatoes, till the mixture is mashed up. Properly. Now as we can see, the tempering is ready. Now the next step says that we will add the puree of leaves to this tempering. We will adjust the seasoning. At last, we will liberally put white butter on it. Our saag is ready.